So here we got the VPX-500. So we're going to disassemble the input card too. So the first step we have lots of screws on the top panel. So we need to unscrew and here another screw. And the three on this side. One more here. And also we have another three screws on this side. So today we have 8 screws, then we can take the top panel. Then here's the inside. So once we got the inside, and also we have lots of screws on this side. So on the back panel for all the outputs, so total going to have 12 screws here. One more this small screw. Then we have another 2 on this side. 2 here. Got one back panel. So this is the one which we need to unscrew. Here, we got one here, so we need to unscrew this one. Then we have the 8 DVI inputs, and we have to use this screw. So the screw actually looks like this one. We got all the 16. Then we can take out the back panel. We can just move like this one, so we don't need really to take it out. So now we're going to disassemble the screws on this PCB board. So we use back this small screwdriver. So we have one here, so we have to be very careful. So we need to remember, here we got a weir here, so we need to use this screw. So here, one more. So we just put on this side. So now we already have the the upper. So we have to be very careful because now we have the connector here. So we have the connector on this side. So one connector and another connector on this side. So when we take out this one, we have to be very, very careful. So I just put the camera here. So we just need to take it slowly. Right. So just move on this side. We don't need to disconnect any wires. So just put it on like this one, make it stable. So right now, you can see we have the two PCB board here, to the input card here, actually. So we have the two input card here, so we need to disassemble, replace this one. So we have the screws, we have to use this driver. So we need to disassemble these screws, the long one. So total we have 5 long screws on this board. When we do it, we have to be very careful and slowly. So now you can see we have the 5 screws here, so put on the side. So finally we got this board ready. So we can replace this one with the new one. So for the replace back, and it's going to be the same way. So we have to put this board back here, and we have the 5 long screws we just install, and then we have this one. The big one board have this board, and we have to be very slowly and to put it back, especially the connector. So once we have it back, and then we can have all these screws back on the PCB board, and that's for the disassembling of this input card. Thank you.